Hello, I'm Terence.
I'm Chris. Welcome to our home.
Initially, when I decided to live in the city, everybody thought I was crazy. But the fact is, look at now. I mean, we got everything. We got MRT, we got restaurants. We're in the middle of all activities. Since we're living in a small space of 786 meters square, every inch is very important for us. And so as you walk through the door, you see this decoration, this piece of art together. It's a place that we hang out back. And next, a small little bathroom. This is the bomb shelter. We try to make it neat. So over here we have this display unit, actually custom made. Initially it was meant for all the CDs and DVD, but since we moved back 2 years ago, we decided to display things that's close to our heart. The Vegemite bottles represent our stay in Australia. It reminds us that Australia, Melbourne is also our home. Here come next, on the right is the pantry area. We have everything that we need.
When we made some decisions about what we wanted to do to the apartment, we wanted to, I guess, refresh rather than renovate, but the key thing was about having flexibility and adaptability of furniture. So like a modular sofa so we can move things around. It can become sort of like a bed if we have extra people here. Even likewise with the table in the dining area, it's a desk, it's a dining table, it's a spare table to put books on. So just making sure that we've got furniture that can move around and have a number of different objectives.
And if you realize, we've got a few colors that we love: orange, yellow, green, gray. So we're just trying to make sure that everything comes together nicely. So let me show you our level to the upper floor of the loft. Here we are, my little bedroom. This bedroom is small and compact, but we do have a very sort of beautiful city view here, and we try to keep the place as sort of clutter free as possible.
Yeah, because I work from home, I guess my time's a bit more flexible, so I probably tend to do more of the cooking and cleaning, which I'm happy to do.
Okay, true.
Yeah.
And generally, we don't sort of decide whoever has got the time. We are quite compromised in many sense, and we're happy to do that. Moving forward, I think this is still, I wouldn't call it the forever home, but it's probably a very, very ideal home that we would try to stay as long as we could.
你喜欢我的家吗？